Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Sharma and this is the first video of my React Native series. ओके तो इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि what is the best folder structure for the React Native projects which we will made in the React. Uh, what what is the folder structure which we follow uh, for the best approach to for develop a application in React Native. Okay. Mm, the folder structure which I will tell you in this video is the uh, will use in the industries, follow by the industries most probably. Okay, so let's start this video. Let's go to the VS Code. uh, this is the initial root folder structure which is called SRC. In SRC folder we create many folders according to our requirement. First folder which is assets folder. In assets folder we need to create fonts just like images. There are two type of folders will available in assets: font and images. In fonts we will use the custom fonts which we will use in our project, and second one the local images which will use in the app, just like app icon, just tabs icon and many more. Okay. uh, Another one is folder is component folder will use to make the reusable component in the application, just like edit text, carousel, and headers and many more others. We This is the component folder which will use which will view which we create for the reusable components. Okay. And another way which is a config folder. In config folder we will create a JavaScript JS file called URLs. In this file we will paste our APIs, APIs which we'll use in this project. Okay. And another one is constant. You can understand by the name of this folder what will you use for this. In this folder we will create a length folder, just like for the use of custom strings, uh, constants, image path, navigation strings. In image path we will create uh, the key value pair. We will paste the path of the image. We will understand it by later when we will use the local images in the project. Okay. Second one is the navigation strings. The same thing is there: key and value. Just like suppose you have a screen name login, then we will use through this login key. We will access this value through this login key, and we will not use everywhere the hard code is. Just like we need why we make these strings in the common files, because we need to, when we update our application after some uh, time or schedule, we need we would not want to change everywhere the strings. Okay. So we will paste every string in a single file. If we will update some string here, it will automatically update all uh, all time where we use it. Okay. So another is navigation is used just like navigation folder for the use making the navigation for movement of the one screen to another screen. uh, Suppose you are clicking in a single screen, after clicking a button you are moving to another screen, so those operations will come in this folder. Okay. Another one is Redux. If you are using Redux in your project, then you will create a separate folder for it. Okay. and last one is the screens. Whatever you made it, how if you are using multiple screens in your project, you will need to create a separate folder for the screens for understanding and best coding approach. Okay, another one is styles folder. Styles folder will use the common styles just like colors, font family, responsive size, and common styles. If you are using the multiple text with the same size and main average style, just like we can say कि आपके फॉन्ट की कोई भी साइज सेम सेम फॉन्ट की सेम फॉन्ट साइज के साथ अगर आप मल्टीपल जगह पर टेक्स्ट यूज कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए आप कॉमन स्टाइल्स यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, लास्ट वन इज द यूटिल्स फोल्डर. यूटिल्स फोल्डर के अंदर आप वैलिडेशंस और वैलिडेशन डाल सकते हो. यूटिल्स फोल्डर के अंदर आप अपनी एपीआई के जो भी एपीआई के साथ जो भी जैसे जिस तरह की जैसे आपकी एपीआई गेट है, गेट टाइप की एपीआई है, पोस्ट टाइप एपीआई है, और कुछ भी ऑपरेशन या कॉमन फंक्शन बनाने हो, हेल्पर फंक्शन बनाने हो तो आप यूटिल्स फोल्डर के अंदर बना सकते हैं. ये एक बेस्ट अप्रोच है जो आज के टाइम में रिएक्ट के अंदर प्रोबेबली बहुत सी कंपनीज इस फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करके अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाती है. ओके, तो आने वाले वीडियो के अंदर हम हर एक फोल्डर के अंदर जो फाइल जावास्क्रिप्ट फाइल्स क्रिएट की हुई है उसको हम डिटेल में समझेंगे कि इसको कैसे क्रिएट किया है, क्यों क्रिएट किया है, और इस फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर को हम आगे आने वाली वीडियोस के साथ स्क्रैच से क्रिएट करके बनाएंगे तो आपको इसको समझने में आसानी रहेगी. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर द वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.